Hi everyone, today we are making Habanero Heaven. For this we bought some Habanero chilies. Apart from the Habanero chilies, we also took some black pepper, some mint leaves, 1.5 lime and some salt to taste. As you can see, I am taking here 8 Habanero chilies, which is going to push it up to level 10, I hope. But you can adjust the spiciness to the level that you are comfortable with. If you are not comfortable with eating super spicy, I would suggest for just going with half a habanero or even one to start trying this out. But today we are going to make this with 8 habanero chilies. To prepare, we start by chopping off the heads of the habanero chilies. We then put them in a mixer grinder and we add a bit of water. At first, we want to mix the habanero chilies with the water a bit coarsely. And then we want to add the mint that we have already cut and washed. And then after that, we will add the black pepper. As you can see, I've taken just a little amount of black pepper here. And then we add the lime. The sourness of the lime will add to the zing in the sauce, as spicy and sour flavors enhance each other quite well. As you can see, I've now squeezed all the lime, and now we are going to add some salt. I'm going to take 1 teaspoon and a bit more of salt, but please take the salt according to your own taste. Mix all the ingredients well until they are fully crushed and we get a homogeneous mixture. As you can see, we now have a nice thick but still fluid texture to our sauce. Hello everybody, today we are back with another spicy sauce and another spicy recipe to spice up your day. And today I've got for you some habanero heaven, and there is a lot of spice in here. So as you might have seen, I made this using plenty of habanero and a bit of lime and a bit of mint to just freshen it up a bit. And today I'm pairing it up with a bit of dark seeds bread, and I've spread some salted tahini and some salted butter on top of it. And typically you can pair it up with anything that you want, which is a bit of carbohydrates. So for example, chips, or if you prefer having halloumi like we did the last time, you can also pair it up with that. But my choice of pairing is with the bread, because guys, this is habanero. This is habanero heaven, and this is going to be really spicy. I can already smell the spice and it's intense. So let's go forward and taste it. So I'm going to take a bread here which has some tahini and some butter on top, and I'm going to just load it up with some habanero heaven. And as you can see, I'm putting a lot of it. I am expecting it to be really spicy. I should be sweating after this, so let's go. Oh, guys, so good. I can taste the habaneros, but there's this taste of mint and lime coming through, but I think I'm going to sweat today. That's my cardio for the day. I'm already tearing up, guys, and I can already feel like it's opening up my sinuses. And so yeah, guys, let me know How do you feel about this? Give it a go and write in the comment section how was your experience with the habanero oven. And if you like such videos and if you want to know more about such recipes, then hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll be back with more recipes next time. I'm going to continue digging into this. Wow. Wow. My mouth is burning. This is amazing. I'm not buying another spicy sauce. That's the real deal. This is level 10.